Welcome to the Recon Trader and Happy New Year to all you grunts out there. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all a profit or loss update on the buy and hold strategy versus the KuCoin Infinity Grid Bot strategy that I deployed almost exactly 2 years ago. So with that being said, let's get right into the weeds. And we will start with the buy and hold strategy. And as you can see down here on January 11th, 2022, I purchased $500 worth of Bitcoin, which came out to 0.011700066 Bitcoin at an average price of $42,732, and Bitcoin just tapped $47,000 today. And with that being said, it has been almost exactly 2 years since I made this purchase. And so for the past 2 years, the bear market took its toll on the buy and hold strategy. However, as we start to move towards the next halving, the buy and hold strategy will start to perform much better. And in fact, with Bitcoin's price pushing up around $47,000 today, you can see the buy and hold strategy is up about 9%. Again, this is my funding account where I bought the Bitcoin 2 years ago, that same 0.011700066 Bitcoin. I have not moved it. I have not done anything with this balance since I made that initial purchase 2 years ago. And so over a 2-year period, and actually really just the last few days, the buy and hold strategy is up 9%. And again, that is really due to today's price action, this 9% gain. The majority of the time, the buy and hold strategy has been in the red. So with that being said, let's check out how the grid bot is doing. And to check out the stats for my Infinity Grid Bot, we need to jump over here to the KuCoin bot dashboard, and under the Infinity Grid Bots, if I scroll down, you can see I just have the one Infinity Grid Bot live and running, and it's been up and running for 696 days, and there's an additional month worth of activity. If you've been following this challenge, then you know that first month of the challenge, for whatever reason, my Infinity Grid Bot locked up. I had to shut it down and then redeploy it. And at the time, it had $12 of profit when I shut it down. And so I redeployed it with that extra $12. So I redeployed with $512. And when I redeployed that bot with the $512, my entry price was $42,726. So pretty much identical to this entry price for the buy and hold strategy. And so I got somewhat lucky when I had to redeploy that grid bot, that the price was still pretty much the same a month later. And you can also see the lowest price Bitcoin reached during this challenge for the past 2 years was 18.5 USDT. And then my profit rate per grid is set at 1%. And right now, my total Bitcoin position that the bot actually holds is 0.00562512, which is about half the BTC that the buy and hold strategy currently does hold. But on the flip side, since Bitcoin's price is pumping, the bot is doing exactly what you want it to do. It's selling high, and thus it has about 318 USD in reserve to buy when or if the price dips. You want to buy low, sell high. And thus the bot has about 318 USDT to go to battle with if Bitcoin's price starts to drop. And as you can see, the bot has 10 open buy orders and 10 open sell orders. And so if the price continues to rise, the bot will sell some of this Bitcoin position for profit. And if we jump over here to the order history, you can see this morning the bot has been selling Bitcoin for profit because Bitcoin has been going up. And if Bitcoin's price does retrace back down, then the bot will actually buy. And so the total profit right now is at $70, but then you have to add in the $12 profit that first month was captured and then redeployed with, which brings my total Infinity Grid Bot assets to this 582. which is roughly a 16.5% profit. So right now, the Infinity Grid Bot is still outperforming the buy and hold strategy, even with this recent pump, with that 16.5% profit versus a 9% profit. So I think that pretty much wraps it up for this update video. If you liked the video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you want to stay up to date on the update videos, you might want to shoot that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.